Hi folks, Survival Ridge here. We're on Slea Head on the Dingle Peninsula, and let me zoom in right out there. I can't see. Right there. There we go. That is Skellig Michael, where the new Star Wars movie is going to be filmed, or some of it. So we've just driven past one of the promontory forts, Dunbeg Fort, along here, which has fallen into the sea a little bit. Sorry. Better zoom. There's loads of beehive huts around here, but I've seen them all before, and Miss Survival Ridge isn't fucking interested. So we're just, there's the beehive huts, kind of there, and there is one, where is he? And there's a close one here. I'll just zoom in it. So they would have been early houses, basically round houses with a thatch roof, sometimes completely stone there, so they would be circular completely on the roof. Most of them have been rebuilt around here now. So folks, I'll just leave you with the view. Fabulous day in Munster on the Dingle Peninsula. Survival Ridge out. Well, the end of a sunny day in Dingle. I'm in Ventry, and this is Ventry Bay, or Dingle Bay. And I walked all that beach yesterday, all the way round, right to about there. So it was a lovely walk. Did most of it in the hot sun. This is what I'm kind of showing you. U-Boat in Ventry Harbour. There we go. U-Boat in Ventry Harbour, 1939. The German U-boat U-35 landed the crew of the Greek merchant vessel Diamantis, which it had sunk off the coast of Cornwall at the Doonis in Ventry Harbour in October the 4th, 1939. This magnanimous action put U-35 in considerable danger. Ventry Historical Society, 2009. So apparently there was a U-boat here. So after the torpedoed them, they saved him, which was kind of nice of them, I suppose. So we've had a right good day out, and a few pints in Dingle. It's all been good. So YouTube, that's it for the day for us, I say. We're going to be a few more pints in the local pub, and then that's it for the day. And I'm back to the shop tomorrow. So, nice little boat. Finished the picture. Folks, I'll talk to you very soon. Survival Ridge out, and don't forget to stay prepared.